How to use MT4 platform on Android version. In this tutorial video, we are going to demonstrate the complete set of steps to use GemForex Android Trader application on your Android smartphone. After logging into MT4 GemForex trading platform, you will see the MT4 mobile trader interface. The MT4 Android interface consists of 5 main window tabs: Codes, Chart, Trade, History, and News. Under the first tab called Codes, you can see the list of active currencies. The left side column represents the bid price, while the right side column represents the ask price. Click the Option button and choose System button. Let's enable Advanced Mode to see the differences. Click on the Code tab to go back to the main code section, where you can see that this option has been applied. If you would like to see the current rate of an instrument, the time when the price was last updated, and the high and low values of market price for that specific day. Another method to access the option is by pressing and holding down on an instrument. A mini action window appears. From here, you can easily swap between simple and advanced mode. The next option of main tab is Chart. Here you can see the graphical representation of the particular instrument. There are two options to open chart of one currency pair. The first option is that, for example, click one currency pair, which make a new mini action window appear, and choose Chart. The second chart accessing method is that, click on the third button counting from the left side on the top side of Charts window and select any kind of currency pair that you wish to see. Let's have a look at the next button. You can see how the time periods such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 1 hour is shown on your chart. You can adjust how the chart is shown by going on the Setting menu and locating the line type option. There are 3 kinds of chart: bar chart, candlestick, and line chart. The second button in the top section is called Indicators. Clicking it takes you to the main indicator window. The GemForex Android application has moving average and relative trend index indicator already attached by default. The moving average indicator is shown on the main chart, while the relative trend index is shown on the separate window. You can either delete and edit indicators by click and hold on the selected indicators. Back again to the main indicator window. In case you would like to add the other indicator, click in the F+ symbol in the right side of window and select one indicator. Click in Set to Default at the bottom to put it in the indicator window. Next come Open a new trade. There are many methods of placing trade. The first is by clicking and holding down on the specific symbol in our example, which make a mini action window appear. Here you can choose the new order at the top of menu pressing. Here you have several options by clicking the Instrument bar tab. A drop-down menu appears with all available symbols you have currently selected on main list. Turn back to main window. Click in the Trade tab. You can see your balance, equity, and free margin. Trading order also displayed in this window. By pressing and holding on the order, and many action window appears. This mini window presents you with 4 options: Close order, New order, Edit order, and Chart. For example, you want to close this order. Choosing and Close Order button. Following this, the order confirmation in the bottom of window. Here you can choose Close with this profit, loss, and hit back to the main trade tab. You can see the order has been successfully closed. The fourth button on the bottom main tab is History. Here you can see the history of all orders that you have placed as well as your remaining balance, deposits, withdrawal, and profits that you have made. Thank you for your watching.